Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Lola from the Loud House. So let's get started. To draw Lola, let's first start by drawing her bangs. So I'm going to come right here and just slant a curve to draw one strand of hair. Come back up. And then we're just going to come right back down with another curve. So we're going to stop there for now because we need to draw her eyes. So using this as my guide right here, this strand, I'm going to come about right here and I'm going to draw a big oval all the way around. So about right here. It's easier for my hand to go down, so I'm just going to go down there and connect it. Okay, and I made a boo-boo right there. I'll just go in there and erase that later. Then from there, I'm going to, this is my center now, so I'm just going to imagine another oval right next to it. So about right here. Then I'm going to continue that oval, but I need to stop because she has this little nose right here that I need to draw. So come in this area right here, and we're just going to put in a curve. So now that we have the little curve here for her nose, we can go ahead and continue the other eye. So about right here, just imagining this oval, but right here I'm just going to go ahead and draw the other oval. Then from there, I'm going to come inside right here towards the edge and draw another oval. And I'll just give it a little highlight right here and then shade the rest in. And same thing over here. There. Okay, so then from there, let's come to the side and we're going to draw some lashes for her. So I'm going to draw 3 lashes. Center one's a little bit longer and then shorter one right there. So same thing right across. Longer center one, shorter one. Have her lashes in, and then from there let's draw her big smile, of course. So let's come say about right here. Nice big smile. So say about right here, and I'm just going to drag this point across because I'm drawing pretty big. It just makes it a little bit easier for me to know where I'm going. And I'm just going to draw a big curve right under her nose and go right back up. So then I'm going to come in here and widen this smile up. Just draw a deep curve. There, nice big smile. And so then let's come in here and draw a straight line towards the bottom a little bit more. And about right here, I'm just going to go ahead straight across and her teeth. So we're going to give her that signature gap that she has, so right in the center. We're going to leave a little gap and then come right here and draw another line. And same thing here. And for the bottom, just draw 2 right here. So I'm just going to come in here and shade this in really quickly so you can see it a little bit better. But I want to thank you, Dresser Cuties, for voting on my community page and helping me figure out whether or not I should draw characters from Loud House, first of all, and then second, whether which character you wanted me to draw from Loud House. And so you guys all definitely wanted Lola here. And that's who I would have picked anyways, because I think she's super cute. Okay, so there we have the teeth in. And then now we can go ahead and continue the rest of her hair. So let's bring this up a tiny bit more now that we have that strand in. Let's bring this across. And let's bring a curve right here down. So we're going to start to frame her face. So from there, we need to remember we need to draw this big curve around. So let's bring this out a little bit more. And so then about right here, I'm going to stop and draw another curve as well. And I'll end about the same level as the other side just to make it a little bit easier. About right there, so I've framed on both sides. Then from there I'm going to go ahead and draw a big curve right around. So we're going to start her face. And so it's going to be a lot thinner right here. Right under her mouth. There, got this big curve in for her face. Okay, there. Now we can go ahead and draw the top part now. So this part goes up right here. But before I do that, let's come over here and we're going to draw a strand that pops out. So it's past this point right here, go up slightly. And we're going to draw 3 curves. So longer one right in the center, and then another one about right here. We're going to stop, and then we can just go ahead and continue this curve up, and we're going to continue this up. So as we get up here, it's not going to be too high. We just want a soft curve. About right there, we're going to bring it around. And back to here. There. So that's the goal. So bring this right back to here. So just creating kind of this circle. So now that we have that in, let's come back up here and in the side area, and we're going to draw her big ears. So we're going to pop out a big curve. And let's draw some details inside. So 2 curves. And then she has this earring right here. So we're just going to draw a circle right here. So it's the same thing on the other side, about right here. And I'll just drag a point across so I know approximately where to end. So draw another big ear. And same thing. 2 curves and then the earring. Okay, so then from there, let's come to the center. We can draw her crown. So about right here in her center, and we're just going to draw this big teardrop shape. So the center one is the tallest. And then we're going to draw 2 on the side right here, a slight slant, and 1 more. So same thing over here. Give it a slight slant, and 1 more. There. If only all crowns were that easy, right? Okay, so then from there, I almost forgot we need to draw her brow right here. So come up right above her eye. On this area, I'm going to draw a curve and thicken it up. Same thing here, so approximately. And thicken it up. And if you like, you can draw some strands right here that they're just going to lightly put in some strand. Just like the original drawing. And taper it off. Okay, so then from there, now we can go ahead and draw her dress. So we're going to start right in the center and we're going to draw some circles right here, 4 circles. So I'll make it pretty even. I'm just going to start with 1 right here, then another one. So this is for her necklace, and another one, and 1 more. Then from there, we can go ahead and draw an angle line and bring this down, all the way down. And let's bring it down more. Thank goodness this part is so simple, right? Her dress, nothing extravagant. Okay, so then from about right there, I'll stop, give it a little curve right here, and flare it out. So about the same area, I'm going to go ahead and flare it out. So we're going to start to draw the bottom of her dress. And then we're just going to go ahead and connect it with a bunch of curves. So right here towards the center, and then we're going to change directions when we go the other way. And connect. Now to draw the sash right here, so about right here I'm going to go ahead and draw a curve and another curve for our little beauty queen here. Okay, and then her hands. So right here, all right, underneath that circle, I'm going to come down, follow my angle of the dress and pop out her hands. So just a little curve and nice simplified hand, and just draw two curves right there, and same thing over here. So approximately about right there, and two curves. And so then now let's finish off her hair. So right behind her ears right here, I'm gonna go ahead and bring down the curve to kind of about right here. Curve it out, and once again, just like her dress, we're just going to zigzag some curves. And so same thing here. Approximately the same area, and go the other way. Ta-da! And let's see here. I definitely have to put a heart, right? So let's put a heart on her sash, of course. So I'm going to angle this heart right here. And as I promised, I was going to fix her eye. So right here, I'm just going to go ahead and use my whiteout pen. That doesn't seem to want to work right now. Okay, hold on one second. Okay, I'm back. That whiteout pen was not working. So now I have a little white gel pen here. Much better. There, all done. Nicely fixed, right? I can even fix it right here. So definitely if you're drawing with a Sharpie, it's nice to get one of these white marker gel pens or whiteout pen, and you can just fix your boo-boos just like that. So there, I really hope you love how Lola here turned out from the Loud House, and that I made it fun and easy for you to draw along with me. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.